This is step by step how to use gsuite sender to send bulk messages. Let me take you step by step. Step 1, you have to write your sender name, sending from name, the name you want your recipients to see when you send a message. To do that, all you have to do is scroll down and go to this setting here. You can see update setting. That is the first thing you need to do. Before I explain every other thing, go to update settings here, click on it. Then on this page here is where you can write sender name, so that when you are sending thousands of people message, any name you add here is the name those people are going to see as the person that sent them message. I'm just going to write my name, Solomon. Okay, then reply to. Reply to is the email is going to attach on each message you are sending out. Mean when anybody want to respond to your message, their message is going to come to any email address you add here. Okay, just make sure you add your reply to. Then go ahead and click save. That is step 1. Then go back to message composer. Now listen, step 2 is email list. You have to upload your email from your computer to this sender. Go to email list page. Okay, now you are on email list page. Go ahead and click upload list here or at the top here. So I'm going to click upload email list. Then find the file that your email is on your computer. I'm going to go to my home and find my own file. So this is my email. I'm going to click open. Then you can see here there is 10 email on that page. Make sure all your email are on new line on the file. Then go ahead and save the file. Now you can see our first email list. You can upload as many as you can. Then I can view. You can see my email list here. I can copy it out and I can just maybe close it for now. That brings us to step 3. Step 3 is buying credit. Go to credit page. Okay, this email sender, you can't send a message without buying limit. So you have to buy limit 500, 1000, 2000, 5000 to 10,000 limit. That is the credit they have right now. You can buy again and again and again. Only you know about your limit. But see the prices here. Then let's say I want to buy 500 limit. I already buy before, but I'm going to just show you how to do this. Just click this 500. You have click on the 500. There's 2 payment way. You can either buy with your wallet, which you see, I have found my wallet and I have this amount. If you click buy with balance or wallet balance, this will deduct me and I will buy the credit. But in your own case, you want to buy with bank transfer, crypto, or any other payment method, click other payment method like bank transfer, mobile money, and crypto. Then here you see all the options: Nigeria bank transfer, USDT, Momo for Ghana, ETA, and whatever, Tita, whatever they call it, and BTC. Let me say I want to use Nigeria. I'm going to click Nigeria bank transfer. I see the bank details here, and how much the amount is in Naira is here. So go ahead and upload the payment screenshot. After you make payment, send money on that. After you send money on the bank details, then go ahead and find your payment method, which this is my payment method, the payment screenshot. I'm uploading it already. Now I have uploaded the payment screenshot. Go ahead and click buy coin. Okay, and that is it. Your coin will be reflected at the top here. Okay, within 10 minutes or more. But I already have the coin here, so the credit. So let's do the practical on the credit. So first thing you need to learn. Okay, we are taking it step by step. Now we are going to step 4. Step 4, I want to cover 2 things before we start sending people message. First thing is you can buy lead. Let's say you don't have any lead. You can go to buy lead page here, and you can see real estate leads here. You can buy 1000 lead as cheap as $3. You can buy Office 365 leads like 1000 people as cheap as $2. Okay, here is where we are going to be listing all the leads. You can buy in crypto, business, e-commerce, tech lead. Okay, you can buy as many lead as you can to send message immediately. So and another thing I want to cover is history before we start sending message. Okay, history is where you are going to be seeing all your message histories. So let's go back to campaign, compose our message, and send out. First thing I have to do here is to write my subject line. Hello. how are you doing? Then body message is aggressive and is going to score your message if it's a spam or good. Let's say if your message contains free, loan or money, it's going to have high huge of spam risk. So you're going to be seeing it on this area. So, and you can compose message with ChatGPT as fast as possible by clicking write with ChatGPT. So I'm going to click, I'm going to write hello. And you can see here our score is 80 because it's a short message. So I'm just testing my sender. So you can see here we already get 0 spam score. So our message is safe to send. When you write bad message, the system is going to score your message immediately and tell you your score. Okay, let me show you that. Let's say I remove this 2 here. Let's say I cut it out. You can see this show you, hey, this message is not good, it's spammy message. So you can press complete the sentence. So when your message is bad, you're going to see it here. Okay, so next thing you need to do is now select your email list. The email list you upload, this is the where you can select it on drop down to choose the file, the people you want to send message. That's the email list you upload on your email list. I'm going to select it. I'm going to click start sending. So the demo is going to be on the top here. Okay, you're going to be seeing all the how the sender is dropping message here almost every 2 seconds or 3 seconds. Okay, and the beauty of it is that all these 10 people I'm sending message right now, I have already opened all the browsers, which I'm going to show you step by step. Opening all the browsers, testing where my message land, how many land on spam, how many land on inbox. Okay, so we are going to show you everything on this video, so stay with me, don't go anywhere. Okay, we have sent 9 people message, left 1 person to complete. Now our message is complete. It's time for we to check our messages, where the message land. So to do that, I'm going to open the first browser, which is this, and you can see my message here, new. If I open it, you can see, hello, I'm just testing my sender. Then I'm going to close this one, and I'm going to open the second one, go to inbox, show you. I'm going to keep showing you all the inboxes. You can see this one here, inbox, all of them coming inbox, my inbox direct. Okay, you can see this one here, new message right now. This one drop, you can see it here, and you can see this one again, inbox. There's on and on and on. So all the 10 people, all the 10 email I add, I'm opening all of them, checking them one by one. You can see them here. Okay, so that shows you where your message goes. Is it inbox or spam? Okay, so when you write good message, your message always stands chance to go to inbox. So this particular email sender is a gsuite sender. Okay, it's gsuite email sender. You don't need SMTP. We take care of those things on the back end, warming the SMTP up, making sure the SMTP is good. Okay, before I left you, there's also HTML feature. You can paste your HTML here. Let me get HTML on ChatGPT to show you how HTML look like. Okay, all I have to do is just paste my HTML here, and you can see the score, 35 score. The message is saved to send. Then I click preview the HTML. Then you see how the message will look like on inbox. So I think I have sent a message on the HTML before. I don't know. Let me check. Promotion tab. Which one? Yeah. Okay, this is it. This is how the HTML look like when you send message. But sending HTML, so you can see this message here right now land on promotion because it sounds promotion. Is a template I designed and it's a promotion message. That's why it you see is on the promotion tab here instead of inbox. But this one, normal messages always go to inbox when you write good message. I don't promise anybody inbox or spam because message going to inbox depend on your own IP network you are using and also the kind of message you send. But do not be worried about the delivery because we take care of that and we warm all our API and the SMTP is up to make sure that the message always deliver to inbox. Okay, so I don't promise anybody inbox always. I don't guarantee anybody inbox always, but all I guarantee is that your message always going to deliver inbox or spam. The faith is all about the message you write. That is me, just to be clear for everyone. And thank you. If you want to make use of the platform, you are welcome. And we have a lot on our platform. Thank you.